most merciful and most compassionate. Today I want to talk about equal load balancing and 10 users. Like I have 10 users and I want to share and I have 10 MB in my in internet. How can I share these 10 MB with my 10 users? Like I want to do it load balancing in my all of users that I have. First step, configure the LAN IP 10.0.0.1. Step 2, configure the DNS server. Step 3, configure the hotspots for users. In step 4, configure the triple PoE for users. And step 5, configure the Mangle rules. And also step 6, configure the queue also. Let's do that. Before everything else, I want to enter to IP address to give to IP into the LAN, which is 10.0.0.1 slash I think slash what slash 8 for Ethernet 2. Now I want to apply or okay that. And after that I want to enter to the DNS server to select DNS, which is 8.8.8. Default DNS is 8.8.8. And after that I want to enter to the firewall to select the firewall. Which one? Now I want to select the action, and now I want to select Mnagle, right? Now I want to apply or okay there. And after that I want to enter to the and after that I want to enter to the now I want to create a pool. No, I want to enter the bridge to create a one bridge, like bridge 1, apply or okay there. And after that I want to select the board for a bridge. I want to select Ethernet 2 and now I want to apply or okay there. And after that I want to enter to the interface to understand about the interface. I want to give a name when, and now I want to apply or okay that that and after that I want to exit from it. Now I want to enter the IP, and after that I want to enter the pool to create a pool for triple PoE user pool 1, and I want to give a IP which is a 20.0.0.1 and minus 20.0.0.0 I think 90 for what. Now I want to apply or okay that. Yeah, and after that I want to exit from it, and now I want to when I create that, after that I want to enter the triple PoE, and now I want to add a triple PoE server binding, and now I want to apply or okay that. After that I want to enter to the triple PoE server, and yeah, and for this step I want to do it triple P. And after the Mangle rules I want to create also the triple PoE after the Mangle rules. Yeah, give me a time. And after that I want to enter to the firewall IP, and also enter the firewall. And after the firewall I want to set rules. We use also especially Mnagle for rules or for some restrictions. Now I want to create some rules, and after that I want to select pre-routing, which one is default select. And after that I want to select the in general. Now I want to, and after that I want to enter this one, and now I want to select the bridge which I created before. Now I want to select this one, and after that I want to enter to the action to, and after the action I want to select mark packet, and after that I want to create a I want to give a name to the mark packet, which is I think user uploading user dash user I think underscore user underscore uploading one. Yeah, and after that I want to apply or okay that, and after that I want to apply or okay that, and after that I want to enter to reagain to the Mangle rules, and I want to create another one. I want to enter to the general and select the pre-routing, and after that I want to enter to the out which one is yeah, I want to create I think an interface. I want to select the vein. Yeah, I want to select the vein, and after that I want to enter. Now I want to exit from it. Now I want to enter and select the pre-chain pre-routing, and after that I want to enter to this one and select the vein, and now I want to select the action, and in the action I want to select the mark packet, and now I want to write user underscore I think downloading one. You can see it, user dash download. This is depend on you, that any name that you give, this also depend on you. Now you can apply or okay that. And after the Mangle rules, you create two rules for user. Now I want to exit from it, and after I want to enter to the queue, and after the queue I want to enter to the queue types. Before anything else, I want to enter the queue types, and now I want to add a queue for a user, and after the queue I want to give a name. I think I want to give a name what I think I want to give a name uploading first user and underscore uploading, and after the now I give a name, and after the name I want to enter to the cane and select the cane. I think in the cane I want to select PCQ. Which one? This one, PCQ. I want to select the PCQ, and after the PCQ I want to check which one. I want to check the source address, and after the source address I want to apply. I want to apply or okay that. Yeah, this is enough. I want to apply or okay that. And after that I want to again add another rules. I think I want to give a name van dash downloading. What downloading? This is dependent on you, that any name that you give, this is also dependent on you. I want to select PCQ, and after the PCQ I want to give the right of my MB that I have in my internet. Like I have 10 MBs, and now I want to share my 10 MBs to my 10 users. I want to give I think that any like you have a 10 like you have 5 MB, you must select 5 MB. Which MBs do you have in which internet I think bandwidth do you have? You must select the any type of MB that you have in your internet. Like I have a 5 MB. Yeah, I want to MB, and after that I want to select the destination source address, and after that I want to apply or okay that. You can see it. I create two kinds of rules and queue types. Now I want to enter to the queue tree, and after the queue tree I want to add, and after the add I want to give a name. I think I want to give a name like I want to queue, like what q1 underscore q1 underscore downloading. This is, I think I told you before that this is dependent on any name that you give. This is correct. If any name that you give, it doesn't matter. And after I want to select the in the this is global is select, and global is I'm going to select the global, and after that I want to packet marks and select the packet marks. Which one you write downloading, you must select the downloading, and after the downloading you must priority. This is also dependent on that which one priority you can give it. This is also depend on you. I think I want to when you select that, you must enter to the queue type to select the queue type. Like I want to select the downloading, this one, and after that I want to apply or okay that. When I play okay that, and after that I want to create another one for another for Q1. I want to name Q1 dash underscore downloading. Yeah, I think this one downloading. Now I want to give a name uploading to easy for me. And after that I want to select that which one is already selected, global. You must select global. And after that I want to enter to the packet marks and select the packet marks. Like which one? Uploading. You must select uploading. And after that I want to enter to the queue types to select the queue types. Like which one? Now I want to select the uploading. For uploading you must select uploading. And after that I want to apply or okay that. When you do these things in the queue, you must exit from it. When you exit from it, you must enter to the triple PV. Like I told you, and I mentioned you before that I create which one, this one, and now I want to enter the triple P users to select the server. Like I want to select this one for bridge one, and now I want to I want to select the I want to select the I want to uncheck this one and blank this one session per host. I want to select this one and I want to apply or okay that. When I create it, now I want to enter to the profile to select the profile for users. You know that we have a I told you before that we have, you can create by yourself, but we have in profile a default profile. You must select the default profile, and after the default profile you must give a local IP address. Which one? This one. Like this one, 10.0.0.1. You must give this one, like 10.0.0.1. And remote address is which one? I think remote address is I think I want to enter to the pool that which IP I gave it? Yeah, 20.0.0.1. You must give a 20.0.0.1. 20.0.0.1. When you select this one, you must select the pool. No, I want to and after that I want to when I do these things, when I do these things, and after that I want to enter to the I want to you must do it like local address and remote address and select the and now I want to apply or okay that. Now I want to apply or okay that. Now I want to apply or I do that again. I have a default user, and after I want to give a remote address like return 10.0.0.1 and pool address 20.0.0.1, and after that I want to apply or okay that. You can see, and after that I want to enter to the secrets, and now I want to select the give a name to the user like Jake1, and password is also Jake1, and services I want to triple P, select triple P UE, and after that I want to select the profile. Which one? Default profile. You must select the default profile. But also the part of it. You can see it. I create these ones. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like my channel. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.